Hi everyone, my name is Ross Bagurdes and welcome to my course, Introduction to Networking for Cisco CCNA. I'm a network engineer with more than 20 years experience building enterprise networks and teaching people about them. Data networking is a mysterious topic, full of strange language, concepts, ideas, and protocols that are all interconnected in an unusual way. But once we understand how to break down communication into its fundamental components, it becomes much easier to understand. In this course, we are going to dissect how humans communicate and introduce an organizational system to make all future understanding of data network operation easier. Some of the major topics we'll cover in this course are dissecting human conversations into their fundamental components, comparing those components to similar components in data networking, examine networking models used to categorize these network components, and then briefly examine the history and birth of high-speed data communication. By the end of this course, you'll know the OSI model, TCP/IP model, and have an understanding of what data encapsulation is and how it relates to networking. Before beginning this course, you'll need a desire to learn data networking and an open mind to new terms and concepts. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into network addressing with the Network Layer Addressing and Subnetting course. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn data networking with the Introduction to Networking for the Cisco CCNA course at Pluralsight.